E don finally set between Omoyele Sowore and the Nigerian police. Now, a few days ago, this particular video went viral online where Omoyele Sowore was arguing with the police on his way to airport, and he was telling them that they should not be causing obstruction on airport road because it is not portraying good image about them. And besides, foreign people who are entering this country are using the road. But after the video, 2 seconds, we started hearing other kepu that it seems that the Nigerian police are not happy with that alleged extortion video that went viral. And 2 seconds again, we saw this particular update that the police has launched manhunt on Omoyele Sowore. That is, they want to arrest him today, tomorrow. But of course, trust Omoyele Sowore. 2 seconds, he replied the police. He said say make dem no stress themselves looking for him, that is currently in Abuja. So if the police want him, they knows what to do. So as we keep quiet, 2 seconds again, we got another information where Omoyele Sowore posted that he had just got off a conversation between a senior officer of the police that is inviting him for questioning on that video, which is after everything. Omoyele Sowore went to the station to meet them. But as he reached there, we come to hear other kepu. I was like, what is going on? Before 2 seconds, we begin to hear that they have refused to grant him bail on personal recognition. I was like, what? What is happening? Before his lawyer, Adeyanju, dropped the banger. He said that they have refused to grant him bail on personal recognition. In fact, that the reason why they are holding him is not just because of the video, but because he called one ID illegal ID and something of that nature. In fact, let me even allow you to listen to Adeyanju to hear what he has to say on the issue, plus other things he exposed on the matter. But as you are listening to it, be clicking on that share button and also subscribe in case if you have never done so for more updates. And after that, I'll be back. Let's go there.
Well, basically, they are asking him about the video that he made to expose police, alleged police extortion at roadblock in Lagos. Instead of commending citizen Omoyele Sowore, who has dedicated his life to fighting for the common man and the ordinary Nigerians and exposing corruption, whether it be in the corridors of power or outside the corridors of power, we are seeing a situation where Omoyele Sowore is being hounded, is being persecuted by the Egbetokun police. Omoyele Sowore has been very vocal in criticizing the Inspector General of Police for staying in office beyond the constitutional prescribed term. Omoyele Sowore has said the IG is an illegal Inspector General of Police. So just like what the Yoruba said, that a witch cried yesterday and a child died this morning, who does not know that it is the witch that killed the child? So the IG has seen a good opportunity to persecute and hound Omoyele Sowore, where Omoyele Sowore is excited about the idea of the police intimidation and harassment. We have done an interview with them. They have refused to release him on self-recognizance. They have given an outrageous bail condition, suggesting that Omoyele Sowore should produce a permanent secretary, level 17 officer in the civil service to take him on bail. Even if you commit the crime of terrorism, how can any court impose such a condition for administrative bail? They also say Omoyele Sowore should deposit international passport. Somebody that brought himself to the police station on invitation. How laughable indeed. So this is just a charade of some sort. It's so sad that the police have become so jobless. They now, instead of doing policing, they have abandoned their constitutional responsibility and duty of policing. They are now involved in landlord, tenant, husband and wife issues of insult among citizens, as we witnessed between the Burna Boy disgrace issue, and other sundry issues. Instead of facing policing, instead of look at the amount of personnel in this FID. This is just one unit of maybe like 100 units in the police. Look at the amount of personnel in this building. More than 200 people, officers are here. These are people that should be in Sokoto, Zamfara, Kebbi, should be fighting Boko Haram, but they are attending to irrelevant issues. Like, what is the essence of inviting Omoyele Sowore? Why couldn't they invite the Okoya children? Because those ones are above the law.
Resisting, obstructing public offices, disobedient to lawful order, act intended to cause grievous harm or prevent arrest. How is that a little issue like you have described?
Which of these?
That is what the Nigerian police force has set out in a statement to invite your client for questioning, and you are playing down on this.
Which of these things that you have read?
These are grievous.
Yeah. Grievous how? How? Which of these crimes or these allegations or these accusations appear to be true from the video? Which of them? And assuming without considering that they are even true. Allegations have been, Sowore has said that the police are extorting people on the main road. Should the police be a judge in this whole matter? Why don't you, in the interest of fairness, in the interest of equity and justice, why don't you refer this issue to another agency, security agency, maybe like the DSOS or the NSA, and a neutral person? You cannot be the one that is being accused of extorting citizens and still be the investigator, be the one to provide witnesses. What are we talking about? Are we playing in this country? Should we even be here discussing this kind of trivial issues? Should we be here? Is this the kind of thing? Look at, they just killed 16 soldiers. The police should be helping to restore law and order. The police have abandoned the responsibility of policing the nation, and they are chasing bed bugs all over the place.
Well,
so when the okay, sorry.
Well, based on what is happening now, if Sowore is not released today, what is the next part of action?
Well, we will be in court early in the morning tomorrow to file a FREP for him. We will take all necessary legal steps to ensure that Sowore gets justice. We anticipate that the police have become so idle, because if not, why all this? How does this improve the well-being, safety, security, and protection of citizens and the nation? How does this? Should there not be an emergency meeting after the killing of those soldiers, that the police should draft officers to go and support the military in fight of banditry in the country?
For 4 hours, you were inside. For 4 hours, there was drilling, and we don't know what transpired inside that interrogation session.
No questioning. It's just a form of jamboree, some sort of. They asked him questions and they put questions back to them. Firstly, there was even no concrete allegations against Sowore. They simply said that on the 9th of January, around Airport Road, and he said, we're in Airport Road. Before you can accuse somebody of ingredients of such an offense, the act too serious and the mens rea, these are the ingredients of crime, and none of this was established in any of the allegations that was read to him. And he simply said, from what you have narrated to me, there is no offense shown whatsoever in these allegations you've made to me. Please, can I have a proper allegation? Can I have a proper charge from you? Otherwise, I should be let to go. I am a president. In short, the law stipulates, firstly, that a person of Sowore's standing is entitled to bail if at all you are alleging an offense, to bail or recognizance. After making his statement, which we've made there, he refused to write a statement. He has the right under the law to even refuse to make any statement to them. But notwithstanding, we had a tete-a-tete with them, where it was covered and recorded on tape. And after that statement, the DIG said he should be allowed to go on bail. And he's simply asking that he should be allowed to go on second recognizance. But I think the police hierarchy has some personal vendetta or some personal issues with him. The hierarchy of the police has some personal issues with him. So it's on that basis they are trying to keep him. But I can assure you that Nigerians are watching closely happenings in this place. And every attempt...
Allege that the police stop publicizing the video.
We can avail you over 20 videos of policemen extorting Nigerians on the road openly. It is not a hidden secret. It is a public thing. There is no crime in uploading or exposing corruption. As a matter of fact, when somebody exposes corruption in this country, such a person should be commended. The police should have invited Sowore and tell him thank you for doing a wonderful job by exposing corruption, by exposing extortion, and not asking him to come and make a statement and to subject him to the grilling they are trying to do here. He should be commended, not condemned.
You said a person of his caliber shouldn't...
He has been fighting against impunity, against abuse of power, against rule of law, at his personal convenience and comfort for over 22 years, over 30 years, over 3 decades. Sowore has committed his entire life to fighting injustice and impunity and corruption in the Nigerian system. I think what a man like Sowore needs is flowers and special accolades from Nigerians. An appreciation, not condemnation. There is nothing he has done or said that is a crime. If they think it is otherwise, let them file a charge and let's meet in court. I'm not afraid of them.
Get the point. Now, do you think that the reason why they are still holding him is because of the alleged extortion video that went viral, or because of the illegal ID that the lawyer was talking about, or what is your opinion about the whole thing? In fact, share your thought with me on the comment section. And of course, you know the vibe now. Click on that subscribe button, follow, and share for more updates. Because like this, hey, we move.